Dear Susan, my beautiful soul, my love, wife-to-be. I can't believe that our special day has finally come. In the past, when people asked me what my ideal woman is, I would get comments like, she doesn't exist, or my standards are too high, and yet here you are today somehow, some way getting married to me. I truly thank God for the work He has done in our individual lives, for continuing to shape us to who we are today, and for perfectly preparing us for each other. Thank you for allowing me to love you, and for always being the beautiful person that you are, always putting God first above everything else, and for constantly reminding me to do the same, for loving me not because of but despite of, always extending patience toward me when I least deserve it, for not wanting to change me but instead always striving to make me the best version of myself, for saying yes and being the perfect bride I could ever ask for. I love you, and I'm very excited to have you as my forever life partner. Your hubby-to-be, Chris.
Dear Chris, wow, I can't believe this day is finally here. Somehow, I feel like we've always been together. You are a ray of sunshine in my life, and I love you in so many little ways. The way you always catch my eye and smile gently with eyes crinkling. The way you treat me like a fragile lady, even though you know I'm as strong as an ox. The way you're always so concerned that I get enough rest before my shift or get home safely at night. I love you in big ways as well. The way you seek to know God with such a childlike heart. The way you show me by example to be gracious, loving, and kind. The way you patiently love me when I'm hangry without a crossword. The way that I can freely communicate with you and know that you listen without defensiveness, anger, or judgment. God truly knew the desires of my heart and gave me you. Now let's get married. See you at the altar. Love, Susan.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. Chris, you may now kiss your bride. Now I have the distinct pleasure to announce to you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Fong.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Fong!
Susan actually first had her date with Chris, and then she casually mentioned that, oh, I have like this coffee date with this guy named Chris, and we're just friends. It's seriously gonna amount to nothing. Like she said, seriously, it's nothing. You know, it wasn't that she didn't like you. She spoke highly of you, but she was just like, he's in the friend zone, you know, like. But lo and behold, when I talked to her, she was beaming, and you found your way into her heart. And the way she was speaking about you, I just knew it.